Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to start your second chapter of chemistry. Is matter around us pure? In this chapter, we have to know about two terms, pure or impure. That is, pure substances and impure substances. We may define these two words as the substances made up of same types of particles are called pure substances, and the substances made up of different types of particles are called impure substances. Now we classify the matter on the basis of composition. Composition means how they are made up of. On the basis of composition, matter can be classified into three types: elements, compounds, and mixtures. Elements, the matter made up of same kinds of particles are called elements. I mean, this matter, the substances which are made up of same kinds of particles, यानी यानी कि एक ही तरह के पार्टिकल से जो बने हुए होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑल मेटल्स, सोडियम, पोटासियम, आयरन, कोबाल्ट, निकेल, कार्बन, सल्फर, ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन, etc. These substances are made up of same types of particles, that is called atoms. Sodium is made up of sodium atoms, iron is made up of iron metal atom, etc. Now compound, the substance made up of made by the combination of two or more substances in fixed proportion are called compounds. Compounds are the substances which are made by the combination of two or more different types of particles. In compounds, properties of the substances by which it is made up of are different from the substance obtained, that is compound. For example, water is compound. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, but its property is far different from hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is gas, oxygen is gas, but water is liquid. NaCl, common salt, table salt, which is used in cooking food and is essential for our proper health and hygiene. The constituents sodium and chlorine are not fit for our health, not fit for us separately in its original form, but the compound obtained by the combination of these two elements is good for health. Since element is made of same kinds of particles, compound is made up of same kind of particles, that is molecule, the smallest particle. So these two elements and compounds are made up of same types of particles. So these two elements and compounds are considered as pure substances. Now, mixture. When two or more substances are mixed together, simple physical process, mixed together in any proportion, then it is called mixture. For example, sarbat. When we dissolve sugar in water, we get a solution of sugar solution, in which water and sugar both retain their property in the mixture. No new substance is formed. They are separate. The constituent of mixtures are separate and they retain their existence in mixture. So it is mixture is considered as the substance made by different types of particles so it is considered as impure substance. For example, air contains different types of gases: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. And in air, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide all retain their own property. No new substance, a single kind of particle is made, so it is impure substance. Thank you. In next class we have to discuss about the mixture only in this chapter, types of mixture, and so on.